Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2008 Honda CR-V EX. Now, Adam called me because there's something pretty unique about this CR-V, and it's this: 375,000 miles on this car. Tons of miles. Obviously, this is a wholesale trade-in, but he said, hey, have you driven a car with 375,000 miles on it? And I believe this has the most miles out of any car I've driven. And honestly, this thing's in pretty good shape. A little bit of rust, but not bad at all. Got a tow hitch on it. Message popped up, check gas cap. Could just be a sensor starting to go, whatever. Oh yeah, one thing you'll notice: door lock actuator starting to go, but it still works, so perfectly fine with that. Backup camera is this or these. Let's go for a drive. 375,000 miles. And I gotta say, this thing drives better than some cars with half this mileage. Just goes to show that if you take care of your car, man, it's gonna last you forever. It's just amazing. You know, these cars were used and abused, and this one, you know, was definitely used, but it clearly was not abused. So it's made it to almost 400,000 miles. And it is still running and driving well. That's a big thing. A lot of cars can run and drive. Not a lot of them can run and drive well. You know, on the other side of things, this car you could probably put 100,000 more miles on and the value wouldn't really change. You know, everybody talks about, oh yeah, my car loses value, da da da. This thing's fully depreciated. I mean, absolutely fully depreciated. It's not going to be worth less in this condition. You could add 500,000 miles and it might even increase the value. This thing had 1 million miles on it, Honda would probably buy it back from you. I'm honestly amazed. Adam, thanks for calling me on this one. This thing's clean for the mileage. I mean, I expected this thing to drive like junk. This thing doesn't even have an exhaust leak. She runs and drives like a dream. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.